Hello, cake lovers, welcome back to Cake Factory. Today, we are adding bright colors and sweet joy to your feet with Holi inspired cake styles. These cakes are all about fun, creativity, and celebration. Let's dive in. First one is color splash cake, a white fondant cake splashed with edible paint colors. Looks like a holy powder will fight in cake form. The next is rainbow drip cake, bright rainbow colored drips on white buttercream or pastel backgrounds, vibrant and bold. The next is edible powder cake. Dust edible colored powders over the cake surface or stencil holy word like holy high or happy holy. The next is holy water balloon cake. Decorate with mini fondant balloons in all colors, fun, playful, and festive. The next is tie-dye buttercream cake. Mix multiple colors using spatula swipes to create a stunning tie-dye look. The next is pishkari water gun cake, a creative cake shaped like a water gun with colorful spray made from piping gel or airbrush. The next is mini cupcakes topped with a rainbow swirls, colorful powder or printed toppers like gulal, plates, and balloons. The next is holy theme panto cake. Compact and fun. Use edible markers or piping to write colorful wishes and splashes. The next is flower breast cake. Holy such also celebrates spring. Use piped or edible flowers in bright holy hues like pink, yellow, orange, and blue. The next is dual tire rainbow layer cake. Each tire has a different holy color pattern. Ombre top, dripped middle, and sprinkled base. The next is confetti explosion cake. Cut the cake and let colorful sprinkle burst out. The perfect holy surprise. The next is white cake with color burst center. Simple outside but cut into it and see vibrant rainbow cake layers inside. The next is paintbrush style cake. Use brushstroke techniques to mimic color strokes in different directions. Modern art meets holy. Next is chocolate splash cake. Drizzle color chocolate shards or splashes all over, both crunchy and colorful. The next is powder plate cake topper. Design the top like a traditional holy powder thali with edible colors and small fondant hands. The next is holy color bombo cake. Round bomb shaped cake with multiple color powder sprinkle topper. Super festive look. The next is holy coat cake. Write short festive message like rang baras, holy high, and or splash of love using pipe icing or edible paint. The next is multicolored texture cake. Use a cake combo to create colorful textured buttercream lines, unique and lovely. The next is holy cake pops. Little bite-sized cake pop balls dipped in colored chocolate or rolled in sprinkles or edible powders. And with centerpiece cake, three tier with every holy theme combined drips, splashes, sprays, and bold toppers. Which holy cake would you like to make? Tell us know in the comment below. Like this video, share this video to your friends or family members so they can bake a cake by their own choice. on the coming Holi event, and subscribe to Cakes Factory for more festive cake fun. Wishing you a bright, joyful, and colorful Holi celebration. Thank you for watching. See you in the next sweet video. Don't miss. Press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Only on Cakes Factory. Till that, take care of yourself. Goodbye. Love you all.